Today I'm going to teach you how to recall a sent email message in Outlook. This feature can be a real lifesaver when you've sent an email too quickly or noticed a mistake right after hitting send, allowing you to pull back that message before it's read. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Wait for all your emails to fully load before proceeding to the next step. This ensures that everything is synced properly and you'll be able to see all your recent activity. Once your email has loaded, you'll need to access your sent emails. This is important because you can only recall messages that you've already sent, not drafts or received emails. On your left navigation menu, locate and click on Sent Items. This will display a complete list of all the emails you've sent from this account. From here, find the specific email you want to recall and double-click on it to open it in a new window. Now that you're viewing the sent email, look for the Actions menu at the top of the window. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options. From this menu, simply click on Recall this message. A small context window will pop up on your screen with some important information about what happens next. Take a moment to read through the action effects displayed in this window. Message Recall can either delete or replace copies of this message in the recipient's inbox, but it only works on unread messages. You'll be presented with two choices here. The first option is to delete unread copies, which simply removes the email from the recipient's inbox if they haven't opened it yet. The second option is to delete unread copies and replace with a new message, which lets you send a corrected version immediately. Select the option that best fits your situation, then click OK to proceed with the email recall. After you click OK, Outlook will attempt to recall the message. You'll receive a notification letting you know whether the recall was successful or if it failed. Keep in mind that this process depends on several factors, including how long ago the email was sent and whether the recipient has already opened it. The sooner you attempt to recall after sending, the better your chances of success. And that's it. You've now attempted to recall your sent email in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.